Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV. I am here in our indoor showroom and we are going to take a look today at this Jayco Alante that is behind me here. This is the 29S floor plan. I think you guys are really going to like it. So I'm going to turn you around here and we're going to go over some really awesome features of this motorhome. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this Jayco Alante 29S is built on an 18,000 pound chassis. It is a Ford V10 engine. We have side view cameras. Makes it easy when you're pulling into the campground. We have a nice patio awning. It's the length of the entire camper. We have an outside entertainment center that includes an outside stereo system with its own speakers. And that also works with the television as well. We have large storage area here and then access to your batteries here. As we move on this way, you're going to see that we do have a kitchen out here, which is really convenient and is something that doesn't come on every motorhome. We have a mini fridge out here where you can store all of your drinks, a little plumbed sink. We have some storage above and below. As we turn around this way, you're going to see we do have a receiver hitch so you can tow behind this RV. If you look up this way, we do have the backup camera already installed. This is a gas motorhome, a gas Class A motorhome. This is going to be your universal docking station. You can see there we have your hose for your spray port. This is where your city water connection is, and your outside shower has hot and cold water. This little station makes it super easy to winterize, and there is even a place right here to stick a roll of paper towels if you want to use that outside shower. We have more storage here, and you can see that this is a pass-through storage compartment, which is also something that you don't see in every motorhome. It's difficult with those chassis to make it a pass-through. You can see more storage here. We have a 4,000 watt Cummins own generator. This RV is equipped with an automatic hydraulic leveling system, and it is protected by Jayco's 2-year warranty, which is a fabulous warranty. Jayco is very proud of the products that it produces, and it will stand behind its product. Okay, so before we head inside, we should take note that this does have a fiberglass roof. It is a one-piece molded crown fiberglass roof. That is going to be very durable for you and eliminate a lot of those seam problems that you have with rubber roofs. This does have frameless tinted safety glass windows. It's going to help with climate control inside the RV, keep it colder in the summer and warmer in the winter because of the tinting, and it also creates a seamless look and actually protects your seals and seams that are normally around those windows that can break down over time. Something else to notice is this already has slide out awnings installed over top of the slide. It's going to keep all of that dust and grime and dirt off of your slide that could potentially damage the roof of your slide out. Alright, so as we head inside, we'll take a look at the cab first. Now this is a power driver seat. Back up here so y'all can check it out. We have the loft bed over top of the cab, so that's going to be tons of sleeping space up there. It is electronic, and it does come down electronically. Your controls are going to be over here by your driver's seat. All of your weight information and safety ratings are right here. Electronic leveling system here. your battery buttons, the controls for your sunshade. This is a Garmin Infotainment Center. It's going to give you all the things that you want to know when you're on the road. It'll show you where restaurants are, attractions, things like that along your route. We've got USB ports there to make it a little bit easier, and there is a place right here in the floor where you can add a table there as well. The driver's seat is a power seat, and these do swivel around so that they can join your living area and add more seating space. We have a flat screen TV on a swing arm up here so it can be easily viewed from anywhere in the RV. This unit does have dual air conditioners, which create a very nice airflow throughout the entire RV. We have a nice sofa right here that makes a bed. You can make a bed out of this table, the booth dinette. As we head into the kitchen, something to note is that this RV does have a filtered water system, which protects you against all those impurities that come in your water. We have a stainless steel double basin sink with a residential style faucet. This RV does have an oven. A lot of times they'll remove the oven to save weight. This does have an extra large residential style microwave. So you're not giving up those essential features of your home when you go out on the road. We have a pantry right here beside the stove and the refrigerator. And this is a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. No, I'm sorry, this is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. I apologize. Spinning on around here, we're going to check out this bathroom. We have lots of storage space in this bathroom. We have double medicine cabinets here and a little towel closet here. We have lots of counter space, storage beneath the counter, porcelain foot pedal flush toilet, and we have a shower with a large skylight at the top. And this does have a side pocket wooden door, so you get all the privacy that you want, but the door doesn't take up any additional space in your RV. So then we're going to head on in here to the bedroom, and this is this is a full wall slide, so this is part of your slide, which adds additional space. We've got a flat screen TV already installed in here, and of course the second air conditioner. And then we have a queen size bed with hanging space. So we'll get a good look at all of this space from back here, from the bedroom. Alright guys, so thanks for taking time to watch our videos. We really appreciate it as always. If there is something that you would like to see a video of, please send us a message, leave a comment, send us an email, and we will do it right away. We would love to work with you and help you find the RV that you have been looking for, and we will always give you a price that you can't beat. We are locally owned and operated. We are owned by the same local family since 1976. We are very proud of that here at Summit RV. We are located in Ashland, Kentucky on Route 60. We are open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now in the evenings we're open until 6 p.m. and on Saturdays until 5. Our parts department observes the same hours, and our service department closes at 5 each day. So if you have any questions, just send us an email, give us a call at 606-928-6795, and we will be happy to get with you and help you find exactly what you're looking for. Thanks everybody.